Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce. My name is Kusnawati from class 7A. My student number is 222318010 and 6. And this video, I would like to present my research proposal for seminal proposal on ELT final assignment. Okay, the title of my research is A Study on Student Vocabulary Learning Difficulties at 8th Grade SMPN 2 Cikande. Okay, next, Chapter 1, Introduction. A. Research background. Teaching vocabulary is one of the most important components of any language classes because through vocabulary, second language learners will be able to understand and express language. By understanding vocabulary, students can express the idea in the form of written and spoken English. In learning vocabulary, students have to memorize the word. They also have to know the part of speech of each word, whether it is noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. As foreign language learners, students have to know the meaning of the words. There are many consequences or impacts that probably arise when they do not know the meaning of words. For example, students misinterpret the meaning of the message and the students tend to lack motivation in learning English. In this case, student success in learning vocabulary depends on how the students are aware and can solve their difficulties. If the student know what the difficulties that influence their vocabulary, it would be easy for them to find the solution to overcome their difficulties. B is research question. There are two research questions. The first one is what is the difficulties faced by the student in building up English vocabulary at 8th grade SMPN 2 Cikande. And second is what is the teacher strategy in teaching vocabulary at 8th grade SMPN 2 Cikande. C is research objective. Related to the statement of the research question, the study is intended to first know the difficulties faced by the student in building up English vocabulary at 8th grade SMPN 2 Cikande, and the second is to find out the teacher strategy in teaching vocabulary at 8th grade SMPN 2 Cikande. And the research significance of the study. The result of this study hopefully will be useful theoretical and practical as follows. First is theoretical. The research highly expects that the result of this study can be an additional information for the future research about the difficulties and the strategies that used by the student in learning vocabulary. Second is practically. The research highly expects that the result of the study can help the teacher to handle the difficulties in vocabulary learning at 8th grade students in SMPN 2 Cikande. Secondly, the student can use the result of the study to overcome their difficulties in learning vocabulary. The third, the research can get the experience and knowledge from this study. And next is Chapter 2, Literature Review. A. The definition of vocabulary. According to Richard and Rinandia, vocabulary is a core component of language proficiency and provides much of the basic for how learners speak, listen, read, and write. B is the importance of vocabulary. Listening vocabulary is important since it is a vital and an important thing in communication. Brown says words are basic building block of language. And C is types of vocabulary. There are two types. The first is productive vocabulary, is the set of words that an individual can use when writing or speaking. They are words that are well known, familiar, and used frequently. Second is receptive or recognized vocabulary. Receptive is that set of words for which an individual can assign meaning when listening or reading. D is learning English vocabulary. Vocabulary mastery is an important thing in order to master familiar skills such as speaking, reading, writing, and listening. And the last is student difficulties in learning vocabulary. Edris also points out some problems in mastering vocabulary such as First, students have problem in understand the structure of vocabulary. Second, students feel that vocabulary is difficult. And third, little speaking and writing make students forget words quickly. And the fourth is, in a word, students cannot learn words well. And next is chapter 3, research methodology. First is research design. In this study, the research used descriptive qualitative research design to deal with issues that exist in the occasion of the study and also to gather the information or data that would be managed, clarified, and analyzed. Furthermore, in this study, the research aimed to explain about student difficulties in learning vocabulary at 8th grade in SMPN 2 Cikande. Next is research site and participant. Research site in SMPN 2 Cikande, the school located at Jalan Otonom Cikande, Serang. And the research participant is a grade student in SMPN 2 Cikande and the English teacher. Next is data collecting technique. In this study, the data is student difficulties in learning vocabulary and how they deal with those difficulties. All data were collected by data analysis and questionnaire. And the last is data analysis technique. After all the information or data is collected, the research analysis as follows. First, analyze the result of data analysis, categorize result based on data analysis, analyze student difficulties in learning vocabulary, and to correct their difficulties in class based on data analysis and a list of questions. And next, find answer to difficulties in learning vocabulary and eliminate their difficulties in class based on questionnaire and data analysis. And the last is get a conclusion. Okay, maybe that's all from me. If there are mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.